Hey queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Coming at you with another short tutorial, hopefully today. So grab what you need for a smoky eye and let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to prime those eyes. Today I am using Hard Candy Eyeshadow Primer. For a smoky eye, I like to use a decent amount of eyeshadow primer just because I like the eyes to be very bold and bright when you do a smoky eye. Today for my smoky eye look, I'm going to be using Zodiac Palette by BH Cosmetics. The two shades I'm going to be using for my smoky eye today is Taurus and Sagittarius right over here. Now that your eyeshadow is all blended, I like to go back with a lighter shade of concealer or foundation with a very light formula just to kind of clean up any of that dark area that you don't need. I like to have a nice sweeping motion here. You can either use some tape there, or actually what I'm about to do with the lighter shade of foundation will take care of all that for you. And there you have it. Your eye is all cleaned up and you have a nice harsh line for your smoky eye. All right, my eyeshadow is all blended out. So the next thing we're gonna go in with is liquid eyeliner by Luminess. So we're just going to do a winged eyeliner effect. So basically how you want to start this, and it's super easy to do as well. Your eyeshadow is already at a harsh line there. So just use that line to guide your eyeliner. So that's basically what I'm going to demonstrate for you guys now. Wing eyeliner is finished, so now we're going to go in with the Avon Glimmer stick for our bottom waterline. So like I said, with a smoky eye, it's all about the dramatic. So today I'm going to use two different mascaras to get that nice dramatic full look for the smoky eye. Two that I'm going to be using is Luminess Distraction Mascara. Now this has little fibers in it, so it's going to catch onto my lashes, help lengthen and give them tons of volume. The next one that I'm going to be using is Maybelline Mega Plush. You know that's my favorite drugstore brand. The bristles on this is just so nice. It just works into your lashes so well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those two mascaras for you. There you have it, a gorgeous smoky eye for you queens in just a matter of minutes, hopefully. Hopefully this wasn't a long tutorial for you. I'm trying to keep it under like 15 minutes today. Anyways, happy Earth Day to you guys. You guys stay safe out there. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. Bye! Hey queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that button. Alright, we have our eyeshadow all blended out. So the next thing we're gonna go Okay, we have our eyeshadow all blended out. So the next thing we're going to go in with, why is that so hard to say? Okay, I have my eyeshadow all blended out. So the next step we're gonna go in with is a Luminous The second one that I'm going to be using is my favorite just drugstore brand, Maybelline